In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a project in Asana. This is a huge time saver when you run the same kind of project again and again, like a monthly campaign or a client onboarding, because you can reuse all your sections and tasks instead of rebuilding them from scratch. Let's jump in. First, from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project I want to copy. I'm going to click on my test project here to open it up. Now, with the project open, look up at the top, right next to the project name. There's a small drop-down arrow there, which opens the Actions menu. I'll click that arrow now. In this menu, you'll find all the project level options, and the one we want is right here, Duplicate. I'll click on Duplicate now. And this opens the Duplicate project window, and I really like how much control Asana gives you here. At the top, there's the project name field, already filled in with duplicate of your project's name, and you can rename it to anything you want. Below that, you choose exactly what gets copied over. Things like project members, permissions, task types, even your forms and rules. And further down, you can pick which tabs the new project keeps, like List, Board, Timeline, and Calendar. For this video, I'll keep the default settings just as they are. Now, down at the bottom right, I'll click the blue Duplicate Project button to create the copy. And there it is. Asana works its magic, and you can see the new project appear right in the sidebar, a complete copy, with all the tasks and sections from the original, ready to go. The original project stays exactly as it was. So to recap, open your project, click the Actions arrow next to the project name, choose Duplicate, pick what you want copied, and click Duplicate Project. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.